How to Make Money with Chatbot in 2023. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and absolutely incredible day. I bring you back with yet another video, and in this video, we are going to be talking about an amazing AI application called Chatbot and how you can use this absolutely great application to help you basically make money in 2023. And yeah, I get it. Like, obviously, a lot of people or youngsters out there are out for making money. They want easier ways to, actually get the hang of making money. And it's totally understandable because everyone wants to make money. Who doesn't like to make money? So, yeah, obviously, we're going to be discussing it all today. And it's going to be a really fun and easy journey to discuss. Okay. So, please do make sure to fully watch this video till the end and actually listen to all of the details and information that I have to provide you with, because if you do that properly, then I guarantee you that by the end of this video, you're going to fully learn how you're going to actually make good money with Chatbot. Okay, so without further ado, let's get straight into it. Now, obviously, here's Chatbot, okay? Chatbot.com. It's great AI chatbot software for your website. Now, obviously, as we know, Chatbot has its own pricings. So, as you can see with Chatbot, automating customer service is an absolute breeze, all in one platform to build and launch conversational chatbots without coding. As you can see, you can power up your marketing, okay? You can personalize your customer experience, engage your prospects and customers across multiple communication channels, supercharge your sales, optimize your support, and much more. Empowering companies to stand out with customer experience. You have all these things over here. You can get started with absolutely great templates. So there could be refugee support template, restaurant template, sales template, university template, call scheduling template. There's like tons and tons of templates to actually get started from. And this is like the support chat box, and it's really good. So as you can see, you can reach out to visitors proactively using personalized chatbot greetings, where you can turn websites into sales opportunities. And you can nurture, basically lead customers to a sale through recommended purchases and tailored offerings. You can qualify, generate, and qualify prospects automatically, transfer high intent leads to your sales rep in real time to shorten the sales cycle, and then finally convert, where you can let customers purchase, order, or schedule meetings easily using a smart chatbot. So you get the whole idea and gist of it. And as we understand, it's really easy and great stuff to get your head behind. Now, moving on, what you can do over here to actually learn more things is, first of all, let's go ahead into pricings. Now, once you're into pricings, here you can things like goal-oriented pricing that scales with you, try team plans for future. Now, there's obviously four different monthly pricings. Okay, so there's the starter price. Okay, for small companies, $52 per month. Not too hefty. It's a pretty decent price, to be honest. And there's the team plan, where you can, team in a growing company, which is $142 per month, business, which is for $24 per month, and enterprise, which is obviously you're going to have to contact them to get the enterprise chargings. And then obviously, moving on, you can actually go ahead and make good money off of this by integrating it with other sources. So let's say you have Shopify or Slack, and you want to actually make a lot of money on Shopify. So what you're going to do, you're going to integrate it with your chatbot. And once you integrate Shopify with your chatbot, basically it's your chatbot's job to increase your sales, increase the number of your online sales, and actually get you a lot of revenue and customers. So really great stuff. But obviously, as we can see, chatbot is not free. It has a free trial, but it asks for your credit card. So yeah, that totally depends on you if you want to use it. Now, an alternative to chatbot is, obviously, we all know, ChatGPT. Now, you can use ChatGPT to make a lot of money as well, okay? Because ChatGPT allows you to, do a lot of different content writing and stuff. And you can also integrate that with Chatbot. So you can integrate the API of Chatbot and ChatGPT and allow them both to, work accordingly with each other. And what that will do is it will basically give ChatGPT and Chatbot an idea of how, they can work with each other. And through that, what's going to happen is that it's just going to be really fun and easy workings from there on out. Okay, and what do I mean by fun and easy workings? What I mean by that is that ChatGPT will send prompts over to Chatbot, and Chatbot will obviously implement and use those prompts on the integrated website, the integrated program or website that it's integrated with. So ChatGPT's prompt writing techniques and Chatbot's, execution techniques, they both could work really well. Now, moving on, you could also use ChatGPT to, write content to actually make money because, there's different freelance jobs like Fiverr and stuff. And over there, people have actually put it up ads where they require services like, content writing, content creation, script writing, article, blogs, posts, and all that. And they desire stuff like that a lot. Like right now, a lot of people want a lot of, script writers and stuff. And there's also jobs like translations and stuff. Now, all of that can be done using ChatGPT because this chatbot assistant is just great. So, let's say you want to translate something, like there's a huge paragraph, okay? So, let's say, let me just pick off a huge paragraph, World War II. Okay, let's just pick it off of World War II. So let's say, okay, yeah, let's pick out this line. I'm gonna copy that and let's move over here. I'm gonna paste that over here. I'm gonna write translate to let's say Kazakhstani language. Let's say that. So look at that. It starts translating it in the language that we've required it to. And obviously you can translate it back if you want to. There's tons and tons of languages. There's like any language. There is no language barrier. You can translate it to any language. And you can also, create content. So like write me an article about, dogs. You're just gonna enter that and you're gonna see that it's actually gonna go ahead start writing the article. Now, do remember to change the language because it's just gonna continue writing the article in Kazakhstani, but you get the whole point and gist of it. So yeah, this is the basic like concept in general look at how you're gonna make good money using chatbot and different, sources of AI. And as you can see, pretty great and easy stuff to understand and get your head behind. And, in general, this stuff doesn't, come very easy to come by. So please do make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel so I can give you more information like this. So yeah, that's about it for this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll be seeing all of you great people next time. Goodbye.